How to install the Autochartist MetaTrader plugin. Run the Windows installer that was downloaded onto your computer. The Autochartist MetaTrader Expert Advisor setup window will open. Click Next. Tick the box to accept the license agreement. Click Next. Now you'll be asked to select the MetaTrader platforms that you'd like the Autochartist MetaTrader Expert Advisor to be installed on. Tick one or more MetaTraders. Or if you'd like to select all, tick this box. If you don't see your broker's MetaTrader here, use this Add Additional button here to select it. Once you're happy with your selection, click Next. Then click Install. And finally, click Finish. Now open up your MetaTrader. Automatically, a box will appear. Read the instructions and fill in your details. If you're using Autochartist from your broker, this is what you'll see. If you're using Autochartist Direct, this is what you'll see. Once you click Save, Autochartist will automatically load on your MetaTrader. For any queries, please contact support@autochartist.com.